Hi everyone, welcome to day 26 of the 31 days to get organized challenges. Now, you can probably guess, already what today's challenge is about. It's all about gift wrapping. Now, not just gift wrapping, but all those things that go with gift wrapping. Gift baskets, gift bags, bows, ribbons, you've got the idea. Now, I'd love you to go through your home and gather all the gift wrapping and associated items into one place, probably your kitchen table. Then I want you to get rid of anything that is just scraps, anything that might be torn or out of date. Well, not out of date, but stuff you're never going to use. Get rid of that. Gather the gift wrapping into categories, holidays, birthdays, general stuff, and then put it away neatly and tidily where it belongs. Now, gift wrapping can get out of control, so I want you to cut the volume of gift wrapping items back to a reasonable number. And if gift wrapping is not your issue, let's hear what other challenge you're going to take up today. So kaboom, pow, bang, a little Batman-ish, get to it. Let's see how you do.